Did you know that going green is not only good for the earth, but also for your sex life? And since the fastest way to your lover's heart is through their stomach, it's a good thing that our resident sexpert, Dr. Dory Lynn, is here to tell us about organic food that turns up the heat. Dr. Lynn, this does sound like a hot topic.
It is, Greg.
I see we have a bunch of stuff here today. We've got grapes, and can you tell us about what grapes do?
Well, Romans used grapes. They used to feed them to their lovers and just think it turns into wine.
Now, we have chocolate milk in a bottle, but I mean...
Well, Montezuma used a chocolate drink. It's also great. It's got flavonoids. That's great for the heart. It's great antioxidant. Fabulous.
And then we've got honey next. Honey and I guess garlic and garlic.
Hippocrates used honey. We still use it today. It also is a great sexual enhancer.
Now, garlic between the two people, I guess, obviously, because garlic's a
It
little
keeps
tough.
vampires away, and it'll keep your lover away unless you both use it. It has allicin in it.
Allicin.
And it's great for your sex life.
Is that right? And then we got the chili peppers, I guess, and the figs or something.
That's right. Yeah. Chili peppers heat up the bedroom, and they have a feel-good endorphin that's released. Fabulous.
And then we got tomatoes. You've got a name for them, though, don't you?
Yeah, I call them love apples because they've got lycopene in them. Chocolate.
Now, see, I love chocolate.
Oh, man, just before you go to bed, chocolate is great. Gets the heart going, gets all your endorphins going. That is fabulous.
Okay, and we've got finger food here, I guess, olives and clams. Are those clams and shrimp?
Yeah, those are clams and shrimp. And just think, I could feed them to you, and you could have a lot of fun.
Yeah, you would. Now, these are mangoes. I guess this is just the normal fruit that most people wouldn't have a clue that it can enhance their sexual.
Well, this is not a nutrition show. This is about sex.
Absolutely.
And these are all sweet endings, sweet, delicious finalities, and they're all healthy for you, and they're all great for your sex life.
So everything we see on the table right here is good for health and, of course, sexual appetite.
You can give up those little blue pills.
Dr. Lynn, you know, you always bring us the information that we need to keep us young in thought and keep our bodies functioning well. And I'm sure our viewers out there appreciate every time you step foot on the set.
Greg.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.